Begin by applying the foot scrub on the sole of the feet and then putting some water on the pumice stone. Then go ahead and scrub the sole with the foot scrub and the pumice stone. You're going to do this gently. You're going to scrub generously, paying attention to every detail, every part, in between the toes, under the toes, all over the sole. This procedure is very essential during a pedicure session because you've just finished scraping your sole, so you're going to do this to smoothen the rough patches. This also helps remove dead cells and also smoothens the sole. And when you're done using the pumice stone and the foot scrub, you're going to use a file to do the final smoothing. Attention is also given to every part, the entire sole, in between the toes, under the toes, and the upper part of the feet. Do this very gently, and when you're done, repeat the same process on the other feet and you're good to go. Enjoy the process. And that is how to exfoliate with the pumice stone and foot scrub. Thanks for watching.